Dude, that's so cool! Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Auto is Motive. My name is Anis. Today we are in Big Bear Lake, California. We are going to be trying out something that got sent to me by this company called TESCAMP, and I am really excited to try it out. I thought it was a good day. It was a little warm. Come by the lake, hang out. You know, we can set up, just lay back, relax a little bit in the beautiful snow. It did snow a little bit last week down here in Southern California, so we are going to get into it. All right, guys, so check this out. We just parked the Tesla here, and we are gonna try to get this view. So lay back inside. I'm gonna move the board and the bed and all the stuff in the back. It's right here by TESCAMP. We're gonna open this up. Let's open this up. TESCAMP has like a nice little mat to put back here. It's gonna be like a bed for your Tesla. And then you can lay back and just watch the beautiful views. All right, so the TESCAMP came in a nicely packaged box, super taped up, and inside they had this like vacuum sealed, super tight plastic wrapped around their mat. And so I honestly was cutting it with my pocket knife. I should have not done that. I honestly cut through the mat a little bit, or not the actual mat, but the cover of it. Dude, this thing is dope. It's like a little duffel bag. This is really cool. I like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Dude, that's so cool. Heck yeah. All right, guys, so the TESCAMP is now open. Let's open this thing up. Where did my phone go? I just opened it up and I broke it. It's definitely, I don't think it was in transit when it broke. I think I was not really being aware of kind of throwing the box around, and it just kind of came down and hit something hard. I don't know, but it's broken. TESCAMP, I'm sorry. You know, just probably my fault. Pieces kind of everywhere. It's unfortunate, but it's not a big deal as long as there's one strap to kind of keep it down. But this thing feels so soft already. I love this. Let's move these pieces here. Oh, and just to let you guys know, it does come with sheets, like a little thin bed sheet, which is really nice. I really appreciate that. That's really, really cool. Let's open this up. How do you do this? Okay, here we go. How do you do this thing? Ah, I got it. Look at that. That's cool. It just slides in and out. That's super cool. Unfortunately, ooh, this thing is sharp. You gotta be careful with that. Move the baseball bat, move my snowboard. Alright, I'm gonna drop the seat down. Alright, I'm gonna drop the seat down. Perfect. Let's see how we're gonna do this. It's a little hard pad right here underneath, so I'm pretty sure that's where your like head is gonna be. So that's super nice. The rest is really nice and soft. Alright guys, so honestly this mat was really nice. It was very soft to the touch, and I really liked the fact that they had this little duffel bag, but it made it so much easier to just pull out and put in the back. And obviously it's taking a little bit longer. I have this video fast forwarding because I am using my phone to take small little clips for my TikTok page. My TikTok does pretty well. If you want to go check me out at Auto is Motive on TikTok, I do videos there every single day. Obviously all car and Tesla mostly related. And so go check me out on TikTok. I'm going to post a link down below. But let's go back to the TESCAMP. And the TESCAMP honestly is something that I really enjoyed trying out and reviewing, I guess you could say. But I like the fact that I can easily just pull them out and set it up. It takes only a couple minutes. I know this is taking a little bit longer as seen on the video, but like I told you, because of me taking the small clips that for the TikTok videos, it's taking a little bit longer than usual. So once you kind of have them lined up in the back and like very neatly organized to basically put this small sheet over, they give you the sheet, which is also very nice and soft. So it's just like a bed sheet. You just go put it on, right? Take all four corners, and then it ends up being like this small little pad or mattress, I guess you can say, and it works out super nicely. And I really enjoyed it. Obviously, I think you should be bringing a pillow and an extra blanket or comforter or something. There's a lot of ways that you can make this very comfortable for an actual camping trip. Camping in general, you want to be very comfortable. You don't want to be uncomfortable. It makes the trip so much better. Honestly, there's so much room in the Tesla Model Y in the back, and it's so enjoyable, and you can see so much from the back. And obviously we had a really nice view, but this mat was super nice and cozy, and it was honestly good looking too. All right, so I really like that they added a sheet to it, because the sheet actually brings it in together and makes it like an actual little mattress in the back. It is nice and soft. Even the little mats are super soft. The materials that they're using for the mat is super soft, and I really like that. So I think now is just gotta test it. Let me take my shoes off. Let's see. Ooh, this is nice. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, with the view. This is actually super cool. You can like sit up, hang out, you can lay down, you have a nice view. Good job, TESCAMP. TESCAMP little mattress for your Tesla. This also fits in the Model 3. I'm currently using obviously the Model Y. The Model Y gives you a lot more space in the back, and you don't like hit your head on the pillar like with the 3 because it's super low. All right guys, so I'm actually laying down right here. I'm laying down on it, and it feels really comfortable, especially if you're just hanging out. And as you can see, you have the clear roof. The sky is beautiful. I have got the view right in front of me of the lake. It is amazing with the snow and the trees, but for the most part, it is very comfortable. I obviously haven't tried this yet overnight. We have to see how it would work overnight. But in terms of like giving cushion to your back and to your like lower back and your hips, it feels really good. I really like it. But this is excellent if you're just doing like a little hangout. You're hanging out like this, you want to just, you know, have like a little picnic or whatever. I think that it's really good. Price, it's honestly not that bad for what you're getting. And the thing is, you don't have to get some crazy thick mat that can't fold down and you can store in your Tesla so easily. The amazing thing about this, although I do think that it might need an extra layer of cushion, is the fact that it folds. It's foldable. The folding system alone is what I really like about this. And I really am enjoying the fact that it's really easy to take on and off, that you really don't need much. All you need to do is just maintain your sheets, clean your sheets, and that's it. As long as you have the sheets and you don't get anything else dirty, there's nothing left to maintain. You put it back in the duffel bag, and it is an excellent product. I highly suggest for anybody who does a lot of trips or likes to just hang out and do views like this, and really enjoys taking their Teslas on these kind of trips or road trips, you could say, whatever. I do want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what else you would like to see with this. In terms of the review, there's not much to review. I haven't actually slept on it overnight. I want to try it out overnight. I haven't taken it camping or anything like that, but I will try it. I will try it very soon. I do think that TESCAMP could add like an extra layer of cushion. I think that it would be a lot more comfortable for people who might sleep on their side. If you're a side sleeper, especially if you're camping, you're on a hard surface and you just sink, then it's obviously you're gonna wake up feeling all like, you know, groggy, and like you're physically you don't feel that great. This is just a day trip, but I really like it. I highly suggest whoever would want to get something like this to go reach out to TESCAMP, go check out their social media. I think that There are a lot of other people who have tested it out. Go check out their reviews. Mine could be different. But with that being said, I appreciate you for watching this video. If you have not hit that like button, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Go check out my other videos. I do other videos with the Model Y. I have other videos coming up. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.